Wall Street surged to record highs today. The Dow up over 1.5%, the Nasdaq up over 2%, as easing Middle East tensions sent oil prices down nearly 5% and eased inflation fears. Chip stocks led the charge, with the semiconductor index up almost 6% for a fourth straight day of gains. Micron crossed $1 trillion in market capitalization for the first time in company history, up over 7%, as Bank of America reiterated its buy rating on continued AI memory scarcity. SanDisk jumped nearly 11%, and Marvell jumped almost 13% on a new AI memory and storage product tease. Lam Research, Western Digital, and Seagate all joined the rally. Optical networking stocks ripped even harder on a brand-new catalyst. Reuters reported the Trump administration is drafting a ban on new Chinese-made optical components used in AI data centers to protect the domestic supply chain. Coherent jumped over 12%. Lumentum jumped nearly 9%, adding a policy tailwind on top of the supply shortage story from last week. Tonight's earnings were a mixed bag. AMD reported record revenue of $11.5 billion, beating estimates with data center revenue more than doubling year over year. Arista Networks beat big on both earnings and revenue. But SpaceX's first-ever public earnings report told a different story. Revenue beat expectations, but heavy AI infrastructure spending and a Starlink miss sent the stock down about 6% after hours. The bigger test comes Thursday, when a major share lockup expires. What could today's stock activity mean for the build-out of data center suppliers? Micron's trillion-dollar milestone and the AMD and Arista beats confirm AI compute demand keeps accelerating. A drafted ban on Chinese optical parts could funnel even more spending toward domestic suppliers. But SpaceX's after-hours drop is a reminder that heavy infrastructure spending can test investor patience, even when the top line beats.